You are beautiful. Really? What else do I have to say? Oh my God, it's running at me. It's running at me. What do I do? What do I do? Oh my God, I got scared. You guys, this isn't on Zoom. I think he's trying to tell me to go away. The rest of them are like in front of me and on the side. Like, there's one. Okay, I'm out of the car. I'm gonna take it off Zoom. Hi guys. Take off my sunglasses. Will they attack me? I guess we're here now. Hi guys. What if they start charging me? What do I do? There's one behind me too. Okay, I hear you. I'm backing up. I hear you. That's the one that came to my car. Where's the one behind me? Okay. I'm trying to keep an eye on the one behind me. Please don't get in my car. Please don't get in my car. My window's down. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Yeah, I can't do it. Oh my God! They called for backup. Yo, am I being intimidated? Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh my God!